Welcome to mnemologue, where readers become leaders and writers become thinkers. We help you think in English with our unique parsing method, growing your skills from the core with unmatched detail and care. Simple two-step process. Plant seed and take root. With seed, we nourish your English with parsing, and with root, we help you take root with reading and writing. In seed, you'll master unique parsing techniques through lecture videos and Zoom classes. This offers insights you won't find anywhere else, enabling you to clearly understand sentence structures. In Root, you write based on various videos and books and receive direct feedback and explanations in class to help you develop the ability to think in English. With mnemologue, reading and writing become easier, and you'll start thinking in English, making speaking and listening a breeze. Start your new journey with mnemologue now and maximize your potential.